go into the greenhouse, open the door, watch out for the drips that come off the door, and then we enter what happened overnight. Of course, we check if they're dry. They need water, they need light, they need ventilation, they need to be inspected for insects. So we do sort of a quick tour of our whole operation, walking through comments that come off the top of our head. Out come the notebooks, and we start writing a list down daily, what we should entertain in the near future with each facet of caring for these plants. Sap Creek Gardens is a nursery, a plant nursery. We have people that are excitable, and we have people that are calm by nature. We have people that run warm. We have people that shiver all the time. Plants also, these medicinal plants in particular, have and strive for, just as we strive with them, to form an interaction between us. And that category for myself is very interesting, and it bleeds off into all the other categories that we of plants that we carry.
A lot of what we do when we go into the greenhouse is just paying close attention to what the plants are telling us, you know, what they might need, how they might need to be cultivated and tended to.
We have a long season of weeding and growing and caring and harvesting and drying and making tinctures and making teas and such, and putting them on shelves for people to buy. But there's a time where you don't have to do all that weeding, and we sit and we do a lot of introspection and how we can put forth this relationship in a more obvious way with people.
Following the seasons.
Yeah, and like you said, the roses, they're surprised. They're old roses. The idea of roses reblooming is a relatively new thing in the world. Most roses come out about in the spring. It's a surprise. It's something that catches your attention only for a short period of time. We take it outside in the garden, the herb garden right now. It's brown, and it's has seed heads. We watch the birds come and eat it. We take it for food, and we don't usually mess with the garden through this period of time. We wait until the cold winter has hit, and in late winter we usually go back and clear everything out after the birds have had their fill, and the garden's easier to maintain because we don't have to chop down the weeds anymore. Mother Nature's done it for us. We have people from different cultures that come for different reasons, and we're enlightened to what makes their world complete, which in a sense we're just a business, and we want to reach a good market, a broad market, to perpetuate the business so that we can maintain what we do. We really look for a way to, for our business purposes, to reach a broad audience, a broad customer base, all of which have an interest like we do, I would hope, in plants, and not just plants that sit around and are little showpieces, but we really find our interest to be an understanding of those plants, where they're from, and how they can interact in your life personally. I mean, in the future that we have here is just to understand where all that takes our customers' relationship with us and our relationship with our plants.